Welcome in, welcome in. This is the second switch we're looking at from Akko. It's the Creamy Blue Pro V5. PC top housing, PA66 bottom housing, which is basically nylon, and you've got this PA12 stem. 3.3 total travel, 45 gram actuation, actually maybe 55, and then 60 bottom out. These V5s come in the latest Akko packaging, which features these upgraded boxes. These boxes are nice. These are upgraded. This is first time I saw this was in the cilantro. Come individually packaged so that there should be no bent pins. Switches are isolated from each other. These lids can be used as lube stations, and then you can save this one to store all your key tools, like your switch pullers, plate forks, screwdrivers, etc., etc. Pretty good. So I'm going to build these in the Neo65 with the CF plate. I have the creamy yellows right now in the Neo60 core, so I can do a back-to-back for another video for a sound test. These are the upgraded V5 tops. They feature a LED diffuser right here for the RGB gamer types. Very nice. Just like the Yellow Pros, these are pretty loose fitting on plates. I suspect the housings are a hair smaller than usual, but good for beginners that haven't learned how much pressure, or you can tell if a pin is bending yet, or in danger of popping a socket. These are good beginner switches. Got the Neo65 built up on Creamy Blue Pro V5s, and they're on a CF plate, no foams. All right, here we go. All right, very similar to the Creamy Yellow Pros. I mean, they're the exact same materials. This one's just the tactile version. I did notice that they're kind of loose fitting. It's good for beginners because you can plop them in any boards and they will not be not as likely to bend pins, just because they go in with fairly low force insertion. Just like the Yellow Pros, these are good for beginners. They're right in the middle. They're neither clacky nor thocky. If it was up to me, they do seem a little bit deeper, so probably like a mid-deep clack, if anything, if I had to choose. In terms of the tactility, I don't mind them. They are light tactile, around the same as the HMX Explosions, or slightly more than an MX Brown. Definitely less tactile than the Cilantro. The Cilantro's got a much bigger bump. Seeing that these are both tactiles, if you want a clacky one, I would definitely pick Cilantro over this. But if you're just looking for your first board, or in the middle of the range board and you're still learning your preferences, this is a good one to start with. And you can go deeper from here or higher from here. So thanks again to Akko for sending this out to me. It's a decent switch. They're either $11 or $12 for 45. I think they're 11. So $11 for 45, 22 for 90. It's very affordable. Please be sure to use my link below. And code ShilohCutest for 5% off at Akko. Tariffs are included in the shipping cost. That's why you might see a little bit higher shipping, but the tariffs are built in. I believe they might ship from an American warehouse too. So next up after this will be the bittersweet. I'll see you guys then.